Good morning, tiny artists, and welcome to a new art lesson on symmetry. As you can see in this picture, there's a butterfly. It is divided by a line, and this line is called the line of symmetry. Can you repeat? Line of symmetry. This is the concept we're learning today. In the following pictures, we're going to see different objects which are symmetrical and they are divided by a line of symmetry. Okay? So let's look at this one. Here we are some letters which also have a line of symmetry. A, B, C, all these letters have a line of symmetry. It can be vertical, or it can be horizontal, as in these letters, or it can be both, vertical and horizontal. So what does this line do? This line divides the object or the letters, in this case, into two identical parts. For example, take letter U, the part on the left is identical to the part on the right. Okay, let's watch more. Here we are, lines of symmetry in nature. In nature, a person is symmetric, an animal is symmetric too, and a flower is symmetrical. Road signs and symmetry. We have some road signs, a triangle, a rectangle. This is a hexagon, an octagon, another triangle and a circle. Okay, as you can see, all these shapes are symmetric, and these are the lines of symmetry. Okay, and here we are, symmetry in monuments too. Attention to this second picture. Okay, this is a Taj Mahal. Okay, it's a very famous building, and in here we can see that the monument, the building, is symmetric, and also the columns on the right and on the left, they are totally symmetric. Here there is another picture of the Taj Mahal, but with a different line of symmetry. In this picture, the line of symmetry is vertical. In this picture, the line of symmetry is also horizontal, okay? So that you can see the Taj Mahal on top of above the line of symmetry. And you can also see its reflection in the water below the line of symmetry, okay? So you can see the building up and down, okay? More symmetry in the flags, in these flags, okay? And in the math symbols and symmetry, okay? So you can see vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. Well, after that, I'm going to explain you the task you're going to do for this week, okay? For this session. Well, here you are the task for this week's activity, okay, for this week's art lesson. The task for the 26th of May, it's a symmetric landscape. You have to draw a symmetric landscape. I'm going to show you what you have to do, okay? Well, first of all, we are going to draw in a white paper, we're going to draw a line of symmetry. Okay, but this line of symmetry is not straight. It has to be curved. Okay, so we have to draw a line of symmetry. Okay, not straight, but curved. Okay, then we will draw a landscape For example, a house, a tree, some birds and the sun, or you can draw other things. You can draw a city, or you can draw a school, some children, whatever you want. Okay, you have to draw as a landscape. This is just one example. You don't have to repeat the picture. Okay, it's just one example. After that, we're going to, once you have drawn the landscape, we're going to color it. Okay, but this time we're going to use warm colors. If you remember, the warm colors are red. So we're going to paint some of it in red, orange, and yellow. Okay, so your task is to color, draw a landscape. You draw the line of symmetry, and then you draw a landscape on the top part of the drawing, not in this section of the drawing. We will continue next day. You will draw a landscape and you will color it in red, orange, and yellow. Okay? Remember to draw the line of symmetry and draw a landscape and color it. Okay? You don't have to write red, orange, and yellow. You just color. Okay? This is one example. You have to create your own pictures. Okay? Bye-bye. Good creating. Bye-bye.